first of all, I am in Atlantic City.
But yeah, I'm in Atlantic City. It's about 3:45, quarter to 4 Monday morning. Why am I here? I'm at, I'll tell you where I'm at right now. I'm at the Atlantic City bus station. And why am I here? I am going to pick up my new van.
I'm going to pick up my new van.
I'm taking the bus up from Atlantic City to, I have to take the bus to Port Authority in New York City, and from there I have to take another bus to Hopatcong or Dover to Sussex and pick up my new used, hopefully another oldie but goodie, 97 Ford Econoline. So I'm in the city right now. This is Atlantic City at 3:45 a.m. So can't really see much. That's Bally's right there. Not much going on. Yeah, that's one of the casinos. I can't zoom in because I'm looking at you, but I'll check in with you later.
I've got a feeling you're fooling. I've got a notion it's make-believe. I think you're laughing right up your sleeve, fooling with me. Life is worth living when you are given moments of paradise. You're such a stand-up, but how you hand out that hocus-pocus from your eyes. I've got a feeling you're fooling. I got a feeling it's all a frame. It's just a well-known army game, fooling with me.
That's me, New York bound. Ba 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 boom. Here we go, kids. I'm on the bus. It's pretty dead, pretty quiet. But anyway, I'm gonna get cozy. I brought along my baby boy's blanket. Smells like him. Anyway, I'll see you guys. Ain't night. Snack time. Every day. Every day. And I made some trail mix. It's got goji berries, coconut, figs, dates, seeds, pumpkin seeds, and pieces of granola. Ta-cha! I have arrived. Tired. The bus actually wasn't 6 hours. It got here at 6 a.m. so it was like 3 hours, a little over, and they stopped in Toms River. So I am at the Port Authority in New York, and feels good to have some independence. And I'm gonna go get the transfer ticket to go pick up the van. See you soon. The Jamba Juice Matcha Green Tea Blast. I am at the Big Apple. Guess where I am, guys? It's called the Big Apple. And I just got me some Jamba Juice, green matcha. And I just thought I'd come out and show you the action going on in New York City. And I got a half hour till I go catch my second transfer to Lakeside to go pick up the new van, the new used van. Hop off here, say cheers. I never had Jamba Juice before. My friend recommended it, and it's delicious. The matcha green with a little caffeine, So when you're in New York, you gotta make like a New Yorker. So I'm gonna flip this over and show you a little bit around, and then get back in there. All right, love you guys. Thanks for being with me on this journey. Hey guys, I got a bus to catch. I'll see you in a bit. He like picked a fucking... Super different from the Jersey Shore. We are like chill. But it's nice to have the speed of things. It's a different pace. Alright, see you guys in a bit. And go check it out. Jamba Juice, green matcha. It's got you going. Wow. It's been a long journey. It's been a long road to get here. I got the van. I'm on my way back. It's been a long road, and I can only tell you that I prayed about this van being there, and everyone said, well, why is it still sitting there? It must not be good. For $2,000, give or take, it must not be good. I said, well, the back, there's no seats. Most people are looking for a van with seats. Well, I wanted a van that had the seats out. And so that kind of rules it out for someone like a family that's looking for a van, no seats in the back. And then for a worker looking for a van, usually the shelves are available, right? Sorry, I'm looking down. I got the phone's charging, but so there's no shelves in the back because someone already started the woodwork, you know. So some stuff I gotta do, but I have a vision and it feels good, and I did this on my own. You know, some people said, oh, you gotta have what you want, you're a baby, whatever, making fun of me, whatever, you know what, it's called setting my mind to something that I want. And I've been looking at this van since Ruby really started giving me grief on my birthday camping vamping trip. On the one video where I tried to start it up and it wouldn't start, and then I hit the auto start and it started up. So she's still here. I can't stop. I mean, I don't usually smile with teeth, so this is a good thing. Alright guys, I gotta get back on the road, but to be continued. See you soon.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
I don't know if you can find this thing, but my heart went riding on your wings. So if you see them anywhere, won't you leave me
So I just pulled up to home. It's around 4:30, and look and listen. It's like a snow sleet. Literally just pulled up and it started. So there's Ruby. Alright guys, yeah, I look at this as a little sign, a good thing. Because we could have been out there traveling in this. But that's what's going on here at South Jersey, Monday evening. Thank you guys for being on this journey with me. Until next time, big hugs. Bye for now.